Harry, yeah. Yeah, sorry.
So
You
bali.
got this gala.
Yeah.
Bula kusaseki. Harry, they've got a makulu shabala. Sorry, Kiva Bamba. There's still a bit of nyama, yeah? Yeah, let's go open
You
channel.
see the mothers, they're going around, possibly they're looking for hyenas. Or they might even spotted one of the hyenas around.
Tuangala, Kiva Bamba, Lumo Bridge.
So they actually...
Is that the Nyala looking?
No, that's a waterbuck.
Can you see?
So they possibly killed it last night. You see how they eaten quite a lot, and it's quite a very big animal.
Going that way, so there's probably a hyena. Because obviously when they make a kill, there's a lot of noise going, they'll fight because they're all hungry, everybody wants something in their bag.
So remember yesterday morning they were actually killed an impala. So, but after, because an impala is going to be like a snack actually for 11 lines. But waterbuck is very big.
But basically
so
that's the
all
trick of
have
tracking.
enough.
You need to kind of circle around, locate
Because
the track.
usually lions when they feed,
with the track.
it's in one second, they actually
And,
like each part of their body weight.
Well, I didn't really expect to find them on a kill.
Amazing.
But yeah, it's quite unbelievable.
That's quite recent, would you say?
Last night, they killed it last night. The guys that saw the lions last night, they had nothing.
This is the same pride we left yesterday, so
And
this is
is
the
actually
waterbuck.
about
Very
5
big
minutes
male,
from
and
our lodge.
it weighs about 250
We went east and we went all the way around and back.
70
towards the
kilograms.
They don't
Yeah,
mind
it's a
us
big
being
animal.
this close.
Yeah, not really. Don't worry about
Yeah, very big. It's a fully grown one.
and other lions that don't belong to the pride. Because then, I mean, that is competition.
So
But
they
we're
try
not
to eat it quite a
competition.
lot.
We just come
Look how
have
they
and
actually
go.
kill it right here.
But,
So because now with
obviously
the long
part of
grass as
protect
well, actually
the
gives
kill
them
from
advantage
other
point
predators.
to actually hunt, and because they are very they might chase them away. So and also with the cubs here, they also
Yeah, I see. Today you're gonna get lots of vultures around here because they kill it out in the open. So because they killed it at night, and like
because hyena can
you look
actually
at the
smell
sky,
carcass
the
from
vulture
far away,
will be
like
up
2
there in a
kilometers away.
second, and
So that's why the
vultures
mothers are
can
making
see
sure that
quite
the
far.
hyena doesn't come here because they can
Because
smell
they're
the
able to
carcass.
magnify their vision, so they'll be able to see this amazing
Oh,
all
they are
around.
full belly. Look at that. And after feeding here, they will find a place where they will lie down. You see them with all the legs up. So you can tell that these females are successful hunters. They're doing very well. And even if they have this skill, but if another animal comes here, they can also try to hunt while they still have this skill.
Yeah, 8 of
Because
them.
the opportunity. Yeah,
2 or 3
even though
females.
they are full,
Well,
but
in
if
this
there is
pride there's 3
opportunity,
females,
they
but
take
2
it.
of them have cubs, 4 and 4. And these guys are about just over a year old, the cubs. But I mean, 80% of lion cubs would die from malnutrition. They're not very successful hunters, lions. And they do well sometimes. So out of the 8, maybe you'll find, if they're lucky, 4 or 3 will survive, will make it to adulthood. There's always competition. Hyenas when they kill male lions as well would come, cause problems sometimes. Yeah, there's a third one. Look at that.
So you can tell when you see lions, they're always doing different things. You saw these lions from the thicket the first day. Yesterday we saw them like more in the open. Yesterday we also see them later walking. Now they are feeding. So you
These
cannot
guys
get
are
bored
more
to
active
see
at
the
night.
same animal.
If you catch them in the morning, you're still more likely to see a bit of action because it's still cooler.
Yeah,
Mainly
these are
about their
amazing.
metabolism. If you look under their eye, you'll see the white little spot that reflects light into the eye. at night when moonlight, starlight, gets them to see in black and white, but very clear vision at night.
Is that one family or are there several females who are grouping together?
No, it's one family, it's a pride.
Oh, yeah.
You can't get lions mixing with other prides. There's wars. They're very fussy about their property, about their but their territory. And they sense much to try and avoid bumping into each other. So if another pride came through, it will be war. A lot of the young stars are actually
Yeah, because it's more in the open. Later you'll see the vultures circling around. And they might also try to drag this carcass in the shady spot.
Waterbuck, very big animal. Yeah, Waterbuck is one of those animals that have like a sack around their neck area, and once they get the adrenaline going, the adrenaline triggers that scent and it just spreads through the body, and that will spoil the meat.
See how she's covering.
What they
No,
try
that
and
one
do
is
is
a lungs.
stop their prey, get as close
So
as they
usually
can,
they
and
cover
pounce on
the
it
stomach
before the animal
contents, which is the one
releases
that
the
actually
scent.
smell. If you look around
So
here,
that's why
they
they're
also
eating it now,
cover the stomach
because
content
they
just to
caught him off guard. He probably was sleeping, and
actually
they were
limit
walking on
the
the road. They
smell.
saw him just use the grass to get close to him.
I buttery.
Makanso bukala amojikala mdlanhlangula losakula ngulawa bangakuteka umuva ngumijikala.
No, tumbelen za bes kwada. Shon go ta ya leka. No jiga leka.
So you see she's covering.
So she's burying a bit of the meat. Bit.
You see?
It's to try and kill the smell,
Make sure no smell going.
and also to hide it from the bulb. They need to hide that. Oh yeah. So and obviously the hyenas haven't worked out that there's no male lions here. If they knew it's only females,
So if there was a male here with them,
because they know females don't really like injury since they've got cubs to hunt.
and usually when it's the carcass it's about to be finished, usually the male take it for themselves. But this is very big animal, so he will share with them.
How long is it taken to get the carcass down to the smell down?
I think they might kill this last night. Yeah, the whole night they were feeding. I mean, yesterday we saw them, their bellies were a little bit skinny.
And I promise you, if all of us boys got out the Land River and we were to tackle a waterbuck, we wouldn't succeed. The waterbuck is quite a huge animal, plus it's got horns and all that, so they gotta be careful. But sorry ladies, hey, come tip this thing down.
Look at this one, it's flaming. Usually
That
this
that
is
tells
actually
you
performed
the
by males,
difference in strength
which they
between
texting
humans and
urine of
animals.
a female, but
It's
that's
completely different. You can go to the gym every day, but there's no way you're getting to be strong as this thing here.
where they killed the actual sex and now they drag it to the other side. And they usually when they're feeding lions, they also growl to one another. You see the mothers fighting with the youngsters for the position of the meat.
Beautiful eye.
I like this pride.
And you can see the same colors that we saw in the impalas, white animals.
So this one you can see she separated herself away from the group. So this is the one that she doesn't have.
And they're gonna need that today.
That she's been mating and
all the
mating
food
the
in
whole
their
year.
belly.
She started
And,
mating
looks
with their
like it's gonna
sisters,
be
but she
a
didn't
bit warm
conceive, so I don't know what's her problem.
a lot of the time
Or
you're just
she
gonna
was
find
maybe
nice
not in a
shade,
true
flip over
strategist
and go to sleep. So when
keeping
you
the males
come
here.
back here this
Because
afternoon,
lions are very
the
clever, so
stems
they
are
can
gonna
also
be
mate
very,
while
very
they're not
flat.
in.
And lions could
So
spend
to keep the males in
18
the
up to
area not to
22
go
hours
out
sleeping,
somewhere, so
no
she
They
can
problem.
stay
also
in
do
this
that.
area now.
Yeah, they'll be here because they still have a bit of mix. So, now, you know, because also it's in our property, if you come back here and they're not active, after dinner if you want, we can still take a short drive from the lodge just to have a look before you go to bed, what is happening. You know, around about 9:30, just come down, sit around here under the stars, listen to the night sounds, and just watch them feed. I don't know, we can try and do that if you guys want. Just sit here for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just have a look and then get back to the lodge. Because once it starts getting warm, they're not going to be
Take a
feeding.
peaceful
Because
breakfast.
feeding makes them hot.
Quite a fresh meat there, look.
Told you we're going to find lions.
Didn't expect
Not
so
just
many.
walking down the road, but eating a waterbuck. Yeah, a lot of the time, you don't really get animals a lot of the time feeding because usually they kill at night, it's cooler, and they
So when they're eating, they makes me hungry. I feel like I can join them feeding
so
together.
probably when they made it kill, they were not all that hungry. When they killed it, they were not very
Anyone like to
hungry.
join with
So
me?
they filled up very quickly.
We're taking
And
the
there's a bit of
rifle
a
there.
leftover. But I mean, if we do see a fully
Alright, are we
grown
all
waterbuck,
happy?
you'll understand how big the thing is. And judging by that leftover, you can tell they actually ate a lot. Because there's time to time to a lot of food they ate. And plus, the meat, a bit of the skin, the large
Yeah.
right. Nice size.